So remember when you got a 5-inch on-camera monitor for cheap and it failed you outdoors in the bright sunlight? This is not gonna happen with the Desview R6 2800 nits ultra bright monitor. Oh mahi, and let's get started. So basically Desview reached out to me and asked if I can review their new ultra bright touch monitor on the channel. And when I had a look at the specs, I decided to give it a shot. However, this is not a sponsored video and my review is fully independent. Okay, now a 2800 nits is ultra bright. I got here another good monitor from Portkeys, but this guy has 500 nits brightness only. See the difference between a low brightness monitor and the Desview R6 monitor. And in addition to the key features of the R6 monitor, this monitor got a sensor here at the front. So it helps the monitor to understand whether we are running in a dark or bright environment, and therefore it will adjust the brightness automatically and save you some battery life. Now let's have a quick look at the monitor design and ports. And as we see here, the monitor has some built-in cooling fans. However, the fan noise is very minimal and I hear nothing when I am 1 meter 3 feet far from the monitor, which is I believe the minimum distance to anyone talking in front of the camera. And by the way, you can turn the fan off in the menu. Desview R6 monitor, including the hot shoe mount, weighs about 300 grams, 10.8 ounces. The build quality feels nice and basically made of good plastic. And here I would like to highlight that the mount that comes with the monitor is much better than the regular budget monitor mounts, which I really hate. Besides the size of the L mount, it leans toward the camera weight when a battery is attached, making the camera horizon unbalanced and there is no way to fix it. I'm really happy to see Desview providing a professional monitor mount for free. And before continue watching this video, I would like to introduce you to my new HLG2 last pack. And if you're looking for other lots for HLG3 and SLOG2, SLOG3, check out that as well. Head off to omagamrawi.com/store and get yours today. Back to the video. Now this monitor runs on Sony NP-F and Canon E6 batteries. And here I would like to highlight that a small NP-F 550 battery will run the monitor for about 45 minutes at 30% brightness and auto fan speed. And when I switch the fan off, it lasts for about 1 hour and 9 minutes. But how much is 30% brightness? And just to give you an idea, now the monitor is at 15% brightness and it's the similar brightness as my Sony a7 III screen. So 15% brightness equals the camera screen brightness. Interesting. So now when using the large NP-F 970 battery at the monitor full brightness and auto fan speed, I got about 1 hour and 15 minutes running time. I hope you get a broad idea about the battery consumption at full brightness, and I believe I'm gonna keep the brightness at about 50 or maybe 30% because it's already super bright. And in order to control the monitor brightness, just click on the left side of the monitor one time and slide up or down. Alright, so on one side of the monitor we get an additional mounting thread. And on the other side we have an HDMI in, HDMI out and a DC in. At the bottom we get a headphone jack, DC out and SD card port to load custom LUTs. Moreover, Desview provides 2 HDMI cables, micro and mini, a microfiber cloth and a 128MB SD card to load your custom LUTs. You don't need more than 128MB, I believe. Professional users look for certain functions such as pinch to zoom, force color, focus assist, HDR, and anamorphic view. and indeed waveforms. And that's what we exactly find in the Desview R6. Here we can turn on all waveforms at once, or we can choose a particular scope to show on the screen, as well as you can change the position of each scope. So you put it whenever you feel it's better for you. So I've been using the R6 monitor for about a month now, and I highly recommend it over other budget touch monitor. The screen is ultra bright when needed, and the menu is neat and simple, as well as the good build and image quality. Thank you so much for checking out this video. Show me thumbs up if you find this video helpful, and bump the subscribe button if you are new here. This was Oma, and see you guys in another one.